Hey guys, today let's talk about accommodation. So, for when you go to Japan, some common options to stay, it's usually hotel or hostel, Ryokan if it is in the onsen area. In I think one of the trendy and cool stuff or places that you can stay in is the historical houses or mansions. And this time we're actually staying in one of those historical mansion. The building itself is 100 years old, but it has been renovated a few years ago. So that is where we are staying this time. And the reason behind is that this mansion is very close to the Saga event venue that we are joining over the weekend. And there isn't any good hotels nearby. And even for business hotel, it's like 15-20 minutes away. So we decided we would just stay in this house, 6 of us, to spend 2 days, and we didn't end up killing each other, which is great. So when you walk into the house, you already see some elements about Nihonshu making, and most of those, the big ones, are for display. But now when you're actually looking at the screen right now, of course you see the fridge with water, sake and juice, which they prepare for us. Oh, by the way, the water it's for sake making, and they let us drink those, which is good water. And these utensils, including the sake tokori, and then the sake cups, are for us to use while we are staying in here. Of course, no, not to take home, just to use it here. And they also provide us with kitchen utensils and the other equipments, the plates, bowls, and cups, and everything that they let us use in here. Or Japan-made production, and they are very nice. So it's more like not just an accommodation, but then you get to use what the local use in here. So we just had a glance at the living room and then the dining room, and now let's talk about the living room. So this mansion is 2,000 square feet, 2 stories, and the downstairs ground floor had 2 bedrooms. This is the Western one, and there it's actually another one on the other side, which is a Japanese style one, and 1 toilet to share and a bathroom. So this is toilet. You see the basin, amenities, everything are hotel standard, so it's pretty nice. And I would say it is not the best because we don't get our own bathroom, but good enough when we're actually doing like a share house, like a family house rental. And now we are moving on to the Japanese style bedroom. It is quite big in size. Of course, tatami you need to sort it out on your own to prepare it when you go to bed. But it's accessible to a garden with a pretty nice view. So it's actually quite relaxing even if you don't head out. And by the way, this is the cooking utensils that we are free to use. They don't expect you to cook like very complicated meals, but for normal household meals, good enough. And we are walking towards the hallway, and towards the end of the corridor is where the bathroom of this level locates. We have a huge bath that made with hinoki, and the one on downstairs that you're seeing right now is so big that it would be enough for 2 people to share. And it's more like onsen style, so you can actually like do a bath with your family. And now we are on the first level's Western style room. Then at the hallway, you see a table and 2 chairs. So you don't want to walk downstairs, but to chill out. And then also comes with a bathroom, and then a Japanese style room, as you can imagine. So this place actually fit in a maximum of 8 guests, and you actually get to see the hinoki bathtub as well, but this one on the second level is slightly smaller. So for this residence, we pay roughly around 650 US dollars to share among us. It's not very cheap, but for the size, for the stuff that they offer, I think it is a very nice experience to live in this place for 2 days.